University wa Egerton uri mwena wa Cameroon gicigo kia ubunge kia Baringo ya muhuro kaunti-ini ya Baringo nithugundete ikinya ria gwaka ceceni ya uthuthuria ya gũthondeka ndawa ya kũrũa na marũrũ ma thumu wa nyoka itemine ria gwetha kihonia makĩria icigo imwe cia Baringo iria igũmĩirwo ni hathara ya kũrũmwo ni nyoka. Mĩena ĩno yoĩkaine na mĩthemba ya nyoka iria ciĩna thumu ta puff adder, black mamba na cobra, kuona hari mithemba 149 ya nyoka, Baringo ina mithemba 38.
Ni kweli wengi wamepata kuangamia. Reports ile iko kwa zahanati zetu ya mahospitali inaonyesha ya kwamba idadi kubwa ya watu hasa kwa msimu ambayo ni ya jalale ama dry season, wengi wanaangamia kutokana na kuumwa na nyoka.
We have dangerous snakes like puff adder and the rest, whereby we have actually lost a lot of people who are elderly and children due to snake bites of that nature.
Munini wa Chancellor wa University wa Egerton Professor Isaac Kibwage aikete ritana kuri andu ethi kuhimbiria mathomo maya kona ni magwetha kihonia kuri thina uria urahatiriria andu aria maikaraga kundu kumu na kwina uingi wa nyoka.
As a university we have looked into that one, and we are going to start research on snakes and the snake phenoms. Because of that, we have through the council of the university, the ones who left and even the one continuing, they have personally contributed to the building of the snake house, which is to this side, and if you have a chance you'll be able to see it. We want to finish it, have various snakes which are found here, so that we can have the milk also for venom, which then can lead to development venoms.
Gukinyerera university uyu wina mithemba 8 ya ndawa ya thumu wa nyoka kana antivenom ira itanyitwo kuheo andu aria marumitwo ni nyoka ica ikuhi niguo kugiririria ikuo. Gukirikana aingĩ ao makoragwo marumitwo ni black mamba kana puff adder icigo iria iraihĩrĩirie thibitari ta mĩena ya Sandai, Koriema na Loboi.
In every health center, level 4, level 3, you will not fail to get at least 2 or even 3 people bitten by a snake on weekly basis, especially during the dry spell, because most of the homesteads are the only places where water can be accessed. And
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Waithira Nduati wa Mwangi.